if you have seen my last videos, you will see that I sold my kicker L712 and my kicker L710Q, and I finally placed my order for my next project. And if you are wondering why I didn't wait for Cyber Monday or Black Friday, is because I think I got 2 out of the last 3 that were available, and I got them for a pretty good deal. And the last one that is available on Amazon, it goes for like 5 something, and I got about 300 together. So that's why I didn't want to wait or take the risk, because I'm about it. So I'm gonna go open them up for you. We're gonna see what they look like. This is my second official unboxing. So I don't know if wifey was trying to be nosy or something, but this box was already open. So let's go. Tropo XL 12-inch D4. I've been trying to look up videos on YouTube to see how these perform, but unfortunately I only could find 2 of them, and I wasn't too impressed with the first 2, but they perform to what they're supposed to. But I will be kind of underpowering them. It's 1000 watts RMS, and I have the 900 at, but I'm sure they can handle a lot more. But for now, I'm gonna use my 900 at, and I'm gonna see how these perform with that. And after a while, I'll probably upgrade to like the 1400, add a battery. We'll see what's up. But for now, all I've known is kicker. I've had the kicker comp 10-inch, and I've had the 12-inch, and so far as bass, probably because it was a sealed enclosure, the best bass I ever got was the kicker comp 12-inch, dual kicker comp 12-inch. And well, I can't really say that because my 12 and my 10-inch was really banging. So but as far as like deep bass, because it was a sealed enclosure, I would say that's what was my best. But let's get on with the unboxing. Hopefully they didn't send me any toilet paper. I seen a video where this guy ordered about like 3 Ctsounds 15s, and he received toilet paper instead of his subs, and they somewhat refused to replace it for him. It's kind of crazy. Oh, here we go. Another box. It's kind of heavy. Not as heavy as the L712 though, and the 10-inch. Those 2 suckers, they were heavy.